It's Tuesday the 13th at 10:24. Here's behind the scenes logistics for food and water. We're going to take a tour of Tent City. Everybody making preparations for the meal tonight. Storm service is working hard. HVAC unit. Working our way on down to the sleeping area. Here's the dining area inside of Tent City. So here are the storm services personnel taking care of all the food needs. Here we have the shower trailers. Down here at the end we have laundry services. One of the tents inside, air conditioned. Quite roomy. Headed to find a no-lin RECC crew. Here's example. This cooperative got hit twice. The first storm was August 27th, and you see that they've not had the opportunity to clean up from the prior storm. Makes this hurricane quite a bit different, quite a bit more damage with this than most any I've seen. All right, we've got a Kenergy crew here. Tree down on the line, a couple of trees. Real common case of trouble to have on the line. They've grounded it on each end, got visible openings, and now they're trying to get the trees off the line without cutting the conductor, and they've got foam to deal with. And we always want to be a good neighbor and try not to damage foam cable. A lot of times this is a dangerous task. That wire is under tension, and you'll see as he goes cutting, the conductor is going to want to move around. So we'll watch and see how it goes.
Go for it.
Okay, the undercut here can be dangerous. They've got it under control. Good job. Good thing about the pole saws is, used to be a time that a lineman had to stand right beside the wire with a chainsaw, and now he's got a clearance advantage that helps build in a little safety factor. Tuesday afternoon, we've caught up with a Shelby Energy crew, doing a good job. We're out in a very remote area, putting up some copper conductor. We're going to shoot a little video of what it takes to put up wire.
Yeah.
You on it?
Yeah. Hey, hold on. Hold on, something.
All right, so this is Shelby Energy's crew. I've come out on their job site. They've done an excellent job. They've got their signs out, their PPE on. I've got some line up. We've had some discussion, and I've got a question for them, and we'll go. I'm going to give them opportunity to go in a little more detail. So, guys, you all have gone on storm work. I know it's your first storm, Blake. So what do you think about this?
I enjoy it.
So what's been the satisfaction part so far?
seeing people's face when we get the light back on.
So, what drives you to be here?
I just like helping the members. That's kind of what it's all about. You know, just going out, lending a hand to people who are in need. It's they're having troubled times, and we would want the same. And it feels good to go out and help every once in a while.
Especially after they just been blasted with Hurricane Laura. Like our bird dog said, he's been working for 6.5 weeks straight. If we can come down here and help some of the other linemen out, give them a little bit of a break, it's nice to be able to do that too.
Yeah, we know that
Yes,
those
sir.
co-ops would come to our state and help us if we needed the help. So.
Yes, sir. So here with Owen Electric Lineman. So guys, just any one of you, how come you're here? Why are y'all here? Anybody?
Turn the lights on.
Turn the lights on.
There's stuff everywhere. They got one storm, didn't even get cleaned up from that. Another one hit them. They're in pretty bad shape down here.
I want people at home to know the reason you all go out of town a lot, you get called on a lot, and it's because you do a good job, you work hard, and you get the lights on. So we appreciate it. Thank you. Supper time. Everybody's getting the trucks in and getting in to get a night's sleep. Good progress made today. Look forward to more progress being made tomorrow.